The great Indian epic, Mahabharata, filled with mighty warriors, divine weapons, and epic battles, one name stands out like a shining star, Abhimanyu. He was young, just 16, but his bravery, sense of duty, and sacrifice made him greater than many seasoned warriors. This is the incredible story of Abhimanyu, the boy who entered the most dangerous war formation and never looked back. Abhimanyu was the son of Arjuna, the greatest archer of his time, and Subhadra, the sister of Lord Krishna. That made Abhimanyu both a Pandava prince and the nephew of Krishna, truly a blessed child. When he was still in his mother's womb, one evening, Arjuna was explaining to Subhadra the secret of the Chakravyuha, a complex spiral-shaped military formation. As he described how to enter and exit it, baby Abhimanyu listened from within. But just as Arjuna was about to explain the final and most important part, how to exit, Subhadra fell asleep. And so, the unborn Abhimanyu learned only half the secret. He could enter the Chakravyuha, but didn't know how to come out of it. Abhimanyu grew up strong and noble. He trained in archery, sword fighting, and warfare under his father, Arjuna, and Krishna himself. Even as a boy, he was wise beyond his years. He loved stories of justice and truth. He always stood up for others and spoke with kindness and courage. Everyone in the Pandava family believed Abhimanyu would one day be greater than even Arjuna. Then came the great war of Kurukshetra. The Pandavas and Kauravas fought for justice, dharma, and their kingdom. The battlefield was filled with the greatest warriors, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Ashwatthama, and more. Abhimanyu, though only 16, chose to fight alongside his family. He wore shining armor, carried his bow proudly, and rode his chariot like a true hero. On the 13th day of the war, the Kauravas made a deadly plan. Their commander, Dronacharya, formed the Chakravyuha, a spiral trap that only a few warriors knew how to break. But there was a twist. The Pandavas' strongest warrior, Arjuna, had been tricked into being far away on the battlefield. With him gone, there was no one left who knew how to break into the Chakravyuha, except Abhimanyu. Yudhishthira said, Abhimanyu, we must stop the Kauravas. You are the only one who can break their formation. Abhimanyu replied boldly, Yes, I will go in. I may not know how to come out, but I will not let Dharma be defeated. The elders were stunned. A boy was ready to face an army. Abhimanyu's chariot charged forward like a lightning bolt. He broke through the Chakravyuha, defeating wave after wave of enemy warriors. Arrows flew like rain, swords clashed like thunder. He fought bravely against mighty warriors, Duryodhana, Drona, Kripacharya, Karna, Ashwatthama, and more. Everyone on the battlefield watched in awe as the young prince fought with the power of 100 men. But then, something unthinkable happened. 6 of the greatest Kaurava warriors surrounded him. Together, they attacked him at once. This was against the rules of war. One warrior must not be attacked by many, but they were afraid. Afraid of Abhimanyu's power, his skill, and his spirit. One by one, they broke his bow, killed his horses, and destroyed his chariot. Still, he fought on, with a sword, then a wheel, then a broken mace. Wounded, bleeding, and alone, he still refused to surrender. Abhimanyu roared, I may fall today, but I will never run away. I fight for truth. I fight for dharma. Finally, when he had no weapon left, he was killed. But even in death, he was victorious, because he never gave up. When Arjuna heard of his son's unfair death, he was heartbroken. the entire Pandava camp mourned. But Lord Krishna said something beautiful. Krishna said, Abhimanyu has shown the world that true courage is not about age or strength. It is about heart. His name will live on forever. And it did. To this day, Abhimanyu is remembered as the young lion, the warrior who faced death without fear. Moral lessons from Abhimanyu's story. Courage comes from within, not from age or size. Duty to truth and justice is more important than life itself. Never give up, even when the world stands against you. Honor and sacrifice live forever in the hearts of people. That was the story of Abhimanyu, the warrior who chose bravery over fear, duty over safety. If you like this story, like, share, and subscribe to Taught Tales, where ancient legends come alive for young minds. Until next time, stay brave, stay curious.